This is cold start, real cold start. Show them the front. Hopefully the battery isn't dead. So, imagine winter driving this thing. Yeah, get him. He's good, man. Got the car out. It was like right buried in there. Both the cars came out. I'm surprised it even moved. So it's freezing out. I just finished clearing by the garage door so I could pull the car back up. We got Ricky out here. But yeah, so all that's cleared out now. Cars are back here for now. Probably tomorrow I'll pull out my Civic. You could see we got a ton of snow just out of nowhere. Like you can see how much is just on the cars. I'll be trying to pull my Civic out probably tomorrow once I clear all this snow. We got Kendall's Civic. Yeah, it's still, the coilovers are slammed and it's got the summer tires on it. But let me know what kind of videos you guys want to see or what you want me to do. Like, I'm new to YouTube, so I'm trying to do the best I can. And it's just mostly for fun. Just to show everyone what I do on my off time. We're probably going to go out riding, and I might do some quad videos, like drifting and riding on the lake and whatnot. Just comment what you guys want to see, and I'll see if I can make it happen. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Smoke, you ain't blunt that shit. I've been cruising on the block with a badass bitch. With my mind on the chips and it's not on my hip. Fuck then I dip, say I'm finna take a trip. You don't really want smoke, you ain't blunt that shit.
I hustle my ass off, they starting to listen. So rappers don't diss me. I creep on the weekend, your ass can go missing. So boy, who you kidding? Got game like I'm Scotty, I'm ballin', I'm pippin', I cross and they lippin'.